Hello friends, today I will give you new topic which is related to paging, but it will be solved overheads in paging scheme. There are two overheads. One is called overhead of page table and overhead of wasting page. Remember, trick to solve any problem of page table, overhead page table. First of all, some rules has given here. Number one, how you can find out total overhead for one process. Here, total overhead for one process is equal to size of its page table. It means size of page table plus page size by 2. Second formula, size of its page table equal to number of entry into page table entry size. Third, number of entry find out. Number of entry equal to number of page the process is divided. Now, number of page the process is divided equal to process size by page size. And fifth, optimal page size is the page size that minimize the total overhead. Optimal page size equal to square root 2 into process size into page table entry size. Now elaborate this all formula here. How you can find out total overhead for one process or due to one process. Formula is total overhead for one process equal to size of its page table into page size by 2. Size of its page table already given, number of entry into page table entry into page size by 2. Number of entry also given in formula number 3. Number of page the process is divided into page table entry size into page size by 2, and number of page the process is divided equal to process size by page size into page table entry size into page size by 2. These are the formula 1 to 5th formula. All formula we can implement here and you will get it total overhead for one process. Question number 1. Consider a system using multi-level paging scheme. The page size is 1 megabyte, it means 1 MB. The memory is byte addressable and virtual address is 64 byte long, 64 bit long. The page table entry size is 4 byte. Find the how many level of page table will be required. Second, give the divide physical address and virtual address. Solution. Given that virtual address equal to 64 bits, page size equal to 1 megabyte, page table entry size equal to 4 byte, then number of bit in frame number is page table entry size equal to 4 byte. It means 4 byte means 32 bit. Number of bits in frame number equal to 32 bit. Number of frame in main memory. Number of frame in main memory equal to 2 to the power 32 frames. Size of main memory equal to total number of frame into frame size. Total number of frame अभी for total number of frame just we have find out 2 to the power 32 bit into frame size is given 1 megabyte. It means 2 to the power 32 bit into 2 to the power 20 bit equal to 2 to the power 52 byte. Number of bit in page offset. Given that page size is 1 megabyte, it means 1 megabyte is equivalent to 2 to the power 20 bit. Number of bit in page offset equal to 20 bit. Process size, we know that process size equal to number of bit in virtual address. Virtual address already has given here 64 bit. Process size, it means process size equal to 2 to the power 64 byte. Number of page of process, it means number of page the process is divided. We know that the formula about number of process, the number of page the process is divided equal to process size divided by page size. It means process size has given 2 to the power 64 byte divided by 1 megabyte equal to 2 to the power 64 byte by 2 to the power 20 byte equal to 2 to the power 44 page. Inner page table keeps track of the frame storing the page of process. Inner page table size equal to number of entry in inner page table into page table entry size. Number of page the process is divided into page table entry size, because we know that number of entry in inner page table equivalent to number of page the process is divided. And number of page the process is divided already given to we have find out 2 to the power 44 into page table entry size given 4 byte. It means 2 to the power 46 byte. It can now we can observe that the size of inner page table is greater than the frame size 1 MB. Thus, inner page table cannot be stored in a single frame. So, inner page table has to be divided into page. Frame is converted into page. Now, number of page of inner page table is divided equal to number of page table size by page size. Inner page table size already given 2 to the power 46 byte by page size 1 byte 1 megabyte equal to 2 to the power 46 byte by 2 to the power 20 byte equal to 2 to the power 26 page. Now these 2 to the power 26 page of inner page table are stored in different frame of the main memory. Number of page table entry in one page of inner page table equal to page size by page table entry size. It means page size has given 1 megabyte by page table entry size already given 4 byte equal to 2 to the power 20 byte by 2 to the power 2 byte equal to 2 to the power 18 entry. Number of bits required to search an entry is one page of inner page table. One page of inner page table contain 2 to the power 18 entry. Thus, number of bits required to search a particular entry in one page of inner page table equal to 18 bit. So, outer page table 1 is required to keep track of the frame storing the page of inner page table. Outer page table size equal to number of entry in outer page table 1 into page table entry size. Number of page the inner page table is divided into page table entry size. It means number of page the inner page table is divided has given 2 to the power 26 into 4 byte equal to 2 to the power of 28 byte equal to 2 to the power 8 into 2 to the power 20 byte equal to 26 megabyte. Now we can observe the size of outer page table 1 is greater than the frame size 1 megabyte. Thus, outer page table 1 cannot be stored in single frame. So, outer page table 1 has to be divided into page. Number of page, the outer page table 1 is divided equal to outer page table 1 size divided by page size. Outer page table 1 size has given 256 megabyte by 1 megabyte equal to 256 page. Now these 256 page of outer page table 1 are stored in different frames of the main memory. Number of page table entry in one page of outer page table 1 equal to page size divided by page table entry size. Page size has given 1 megabyte and page table entry size already given in question 4 byte. It means 1 megabyte is equivalent to 2 to the power 20 byte by 4 byte. 4 byte we can represent here 2 to the power 2 byte. It means 2 to the power 18 entry. Number of bit required to search an entry in one page of outer page table. It means one page of outer page table contains 2 to the power 18 entry. Thus, number of bits required to search a particular entry in one page of outer page table 1 equal to 18 bits. Outer page table 2 is required to keep track of the frame storing the page of outer page table 1. Outer page table size equal to number of entry in outer page table 2 into page table entry size. It means number of page the outer page table is divided into page table entry size. It means number of page the outer page table is 256 into 4 byte equal to 1 kilobyte. Now we can observe the size of outer page table 2 is less than the frame size 16 kilobyte. Thus outer page table 2 can be stored in single frame. In fact, outer page table 2 will not completely occupy one frame and some space will remain vacant. So for given system, we will have three level of page table. Page table base register PTBR will store the base address of the outer page table 2, number of bit required to search an entry in outer page table 2. Outer page table 2 contain 256, it means 2 to the power 8 entry. Thus number of bit required to search a particular entry in outer page 2 equal to 8 bits answer.